Ali, burglaries in our neighborhood have been on the rise, and we need to do something to protect ourselves.
You are right. I heard that some robbers robbed a few cars in our neighborhood.
We are lucky then. It didn't happen with us. What can we do for protect ourselves from robbers?
We should install a security door and a burglar alarm. Burglaries hate noise, so even a small alarm usually sends them running.
Yeah, it's a very good idea. We should also buy the security cameras. After that, these burglaries feels that someone is watching and they'll think again before trying to break in any house.
What do you think about exterior lights of house and motion detectors?
Oh, that's a good idea. Due to exterior lights and motion detectors, the house will be secure more from the burglaries.
What about the windows? How can we secure them? Because the burglaries break in the house through the windows many times.
We can secure the windows with the simple window locks.
Wonderful.
I'll take care of everything.